All right, guys. All right, another unboxing, another Galaxy S10 related unboxing. This one is going to be on Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. I've been tripping out with the names that these manufacturers coming out with because I already have the Galaxy Watch. I've had the Galaxy S3 Sport and Galaxy S3 Frontier. So let me show you real quick. This is what we're dealing with. Y'all see this? That's what we're dealing with, the Galaxy Watch Active with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS. $199 in the United States of America. Retails, comes in 4 different colors: black, silver, some bluish green, and then I think a pink. What does this watch not have that the Galaxy S3 Frontier has, that the Galaxy Watch, the most recent one, has? Rotating bezel. This watch does not have a rotating bezel. This watch also does not have a microphone, from my understanding. This watch also does not allow you to obviously answer calls and make calls, and voice dictate text messages. So this watch, I think, in my opinion, this is Samsung's approach to, let me get my handy dandy knife. Needed this bad boy here. This is, in my opinion, Samsung's approach to the Fitbit market, honestly. Because Samsung has been doing smartwatches for quite a while now, but Samsung has always been interested in doing a little bit more with their watches, reaching out to a different audience. And with the Galaxy Watch that's most recently come out, the one that's almost $400, you have a watch that gives you all the bells and whistles, and it is a nice watch, but it's not a watch meant for people who are mostly focused on fitness, going to the gym, doing some physical activity, but still getting their notifications, which is exactly what the Fitbit market is for. Fitbit watches, Fitbit smartwatches, Fitbit Versus, Ionics, and this, that, and the other, and Garmin's, their primary focus is the fitness market. People that want to do some sort of physical activity, who wants to be able to do generic step tracking, who want to be able to get some text messages, some notifications, but not be able to do much with it. That's what Fitbit comes out for. That's what Samsung has tried to reach. That's what I think Samsung is trying to reach. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy out first. So no rotating bezel and not as many bells and whistles, and this is the watch itself. You know what this kind of reminds me of right now, for all you geeks out there? This reminds me of that Moto 360, if I'm not mistaken. That original Moto smartwatch that had a very clean design, circular design, just like this. That's what that reminds me of, or that's what this reminds me of. Feels very light in hand. Definitely does, to me, doesn't look or feel like a Samsung smartwatch because I'm so used to something bigger, bulkier, and with that rotating bezel. But does feel light. The band is silicone, from my understanding. Obviously, you can remove it. This is a 40 millimeter watch. So this is on the smaller end. Samsung usually releases a 40 and a 44, if I'm not mistaken. My girlfriend's got the 40. I've got the 44 on the Galaxy Watch. So this one's smaller, meant for people that are mostly focused on, again, fitness, but still want to be in that Samsung ecosystem. This also works with iOS. I can't tell you how it's going to work with iOS. I don't have anything that I'm going to connect to it iOS-wise. But I do plan on using this watch in a more fitness-focused mentality. This has got to be the small band because, yep, this is a small band because this does not fit on my wrist. But let me show you guys real quick. It looks clean, $199 US. I'll definitely let you know what I think about it. I'll also compare it with both my girlfriend's 40 millimeter Galaxy Watch, my 44 millimeter, give you guys the whole likes, dislikes, battery life review. Let me know in the comment section below if there's anything in particular that you want me to review on. And that's it. Let me know. Subscribe, hit that like button, and get ready for a lot of content coming out here. Like always, it's Nando. Peace, salute, stay geeky, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Adios.